Now let's see the next question. The distance between two cities A and B is 330 km. A train starts from A at 8 am and travels towards B at 60 km per hour. Another train starts from B at 9 am and travels towards A at 75 km per hour. At what time do they meet? Option A, 10 am. Option B, 10:30 am. Option C, 11 am. And option D, 11:30 am. So let's see how to approach this problem. There are two cities A and B. Distance between them is 330 km. Two trains X and Y from A and B travels in opposite direction. Train X starts at 8 am and travels at a speed of 60 km per hour. Train Y starts 1 hour late, that is at 9 am with a speed of 75 km per hour. Since the trains travel in opposite direction, they will meet at some time. Let the time taken by train X to reach meeting point be t, then the time taken by train Y will be t minus 1. At the meeting time, the total distance covered by two trains together will be equal to 330 km. Hence, we can write distance moved by first train in t hours plus distance moved by second train in t minus 1 hours is equal to 330 km. It can be formulated as 60t plus 75t minus 1 is equal to 330 km. Then we get t is equal to 3. What is t here? Time taken by train X after starting at 8 am. What was the question? At what time two trains met? This is 3 hours after 8 am. That is 8 plus 3 equal to 11 am. The option is answer C.